How to request location on Find My iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Find My application on your phone. The Find My app is a powerful tool that helps locate lost or misplaced Apple devices like iPhones, iPads, Macs, and AirPods, AirTags, and even allows users to share their location with friends and family. It combines the functionality of the former Find My iPhone and Find My Friends apps into one integrated experience. Once you're here, go to the bottom left corner and tap on People. Over here, you can view all the people who can see your location. Tap on anyone from here. Now, scroll down and tap on Ask to Follow Location. Your request has been sent. Tap on OK. You will be able to follow your friends after they accept your request. Following these steps, you can easily request location on Find My iPhone.